In this video I'm going to show you how to download Python on Windows 11. Now what you need to do is open a new browser and after that go to the website, the official website of Python. As you can see, that is python.org, and then we will go to downloads. Now once you are there, then you'll find the latest version for Windows and you can click on download Python. Now after that it will be downloaded, and as you can see we have it over here. Now if I open my downloads, then you will find the installer. Now if you want to install it, then double click on it and the installation will start. As you can see, we can follow the automatic installation by clicking on install now. So once you have clicked on install now, it will be downloaded and installed on your Windows 11. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.